Why do 90% of RGH owners use FTP to transfer games? Because it's fast, easy, and works every time. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, make sure your RGH Xbox 360 is connected to your home network. Ethernet is best for speed, but Wi-Fi works too. Open your custom dashboard, like Aurora or Freestyle Dash, and jot down your Xbox's IP address. Now hop on your PC and grab FileZilla, a super simple FTP program. Type in your Xbox's IP as the host, use Xbox for username and password, and port 21. Hit Quick Connect. See your Xbox's hard drive? For XX games, drag your game folder into HDED1/games. For God games, drop them into HDED1/content/0000000000000000000. Transferring big games? Maybe grab a snack. Back on your Xbox, set your content paths, and scan for new games in the dashboard. Just a few clicks and boom, your new games show up ready to play. Recap, connect, transfer, scan, and game on.